In Goa, also we are taking the many steps to facilitate the growth of MSME. In Goa, the availability of the land is a big problem. To the large extent, this problem will be solved. So we have already repossessed the land which is allotted to the SEZ. We have also revamped the State Investment Promotional Board to facilitate the setting up of the industries in Goa. We have also launched the Vibrant Goa initiatives to attract the suitable industries in Goa. My government is also commitment to ensure at least the 50% of the government total procurement from the local MSME.
When you go back from here, do take the words of what the CM had said on the type of job opportunities passing the industry gives, the MSME sector. It is a large employer, and therefore if we have to remove the unemployment, if we have to cater for bringing wealth to each house, we need to focus on this.
या वेळार खासदार फ्रांसिस सार्दिनान सरकाराच्या काय धोरणांचेर टिका केली.
But what is happening today? We are suffering because we don't have the support, financial support, sometimes wrong policies of the government. Know what your difficulties are, like your finance institutions are slow. Many a time the decisions are not taken on time. All these factors, instead of taking your industry forward, it takes us back. So that is the reason I said that all of you have to come together, apply your minds, and bring to the notice of the government, whoever the government is. Governance is a continuous process. They are there today, yesterday we were there, and tomorrow if people need, we will come back. So the point is, who is ruling is not important.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि तुकाराम मराठे.